Hi guys, welcome back to Like Sisters. My name is Maya.
My name is Maya.
Today we're going to show you how to make headbands like this. So what you need are this kind of like fabric, and then you put them together. We're using two colors, pink and green.
And it's gonna be something like this, but it's gonna be little.
Yeah, and then we're going to be folding like this. Back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Oh wait, no, sorry. You have to fold it a little bit because ours is a little too long. So, okay guys, so basically you do this and you take the like
Extras.
side one and then you just do
Fold it behind that one. And you fold the other one
fold,
here.
fold, fold, fold.
Fold. And then fold. And then.
Guys, you want it to be small because we don't want it too big. So yeah. Then you're gonna end up with something like this. And then you're gonna be taking like thin how do I call it? Thin yarn, something like that. And then you just wrap it around it.
So it can't open. And we already did this step, so we can't take your time.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna show you how to make it. Just gonna how it looks. It's gonna look something like this.
Okay guys, how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna take like this headband sort of, or I don't know what to call it.
A haircut.
Yeah. So, and then I'm gonna turn on my hot glue gun. I forgot about that. And so basically I need to hot glue
Do
this.
it like this.
Yeah.
And guys, make sure you don't burn yourself because this is really dangerous.
And then we're gonna glue this like this, and then you're gonna hold it so it cools down. And we want it to attach good. I'm putting lots of glue, just a minute.
Pour some more glue, please.
Just a minute. Can you hold it next tight while I'm doing it?
Sure, why not?
Okay, so I'm gonna glue my wrist now. Here you can have yours back.
Okay, here you could have yours back. Okay, now we're gonna hot glue the bead.
Mine's not done yet, so I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Guys, just wait longer. Don't be a rush on this because like if the glue doesn't attach well, then it wouldn't be good. So it would just like fall out of your head sometimes. Maybe. So mine's glued up well. Now I'm gonna take the bead and put some glue in the middle of the bow and glue the bead on it.
You guys could choose any kind of beads. We choose this beautiful black one.
Yeah, because we thought it was good and nice.
Can you please glue it?
Just a minute. Be careful with the hot glue gun because it's a little warm.
It's a little too hot.
Yeah. So that's how it looks. Is yours done?
It's a cute little bow.
It looks so beautiful.
And you guys make sure to check this video. They're super cool.
Yeah, we did these ones too. So let's attach on our hair and stuff.
And guys, make sure you follow us on Facebook down here.
Okay guys, I attached it on my hair. This is how it looks.
It looks super beautiful. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. So you guys should totally try this one or these other ones we made in our other video.
And make sure you guys check it. They're super cool.
Yeah, and we are also, here is our Facebook account.
You guys could see these already look super cool. We made these bowls. They're super cool. They have some rolls in the middle.
Yeah, these are cool too. And if you guys want more of these
Videos
like this, make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.